It is so incredibly important to keep your shower clean for your health. Regular cleaning, proper ventilation, and the right tools are vital in preventing mold, mildew, and bacteria buildup. Let's prioritize cleaning our showers for a healthy and sparkling experience. We all should make a point to clean our showers once a week. Here's what you'll want to use. For inside the shower, use your typical bathroom cleaner that is strong enough to break down organics. For shower doors and glass, you can first use the same bathroom cleaner if there is a bunch of soap scum. Then, follow up with an effective glass cleaner to bring the glass to being completely see-through. Follow us for more house cleaning tips and tricks.